The reverse bias region is entered when the diode voltage V is made negative. Another way to put it is that the cathode is at a higher potential than the anode. It is this region in the graph. If V is negative and a few times larger than Vt, the thermal voltage, then the exponential term in this equation of the current becomes negligible. This means that the current becomes equal to the negative of the saturation current Is. Since Is is in this direction, we can state that I from this direction can be changed to, and this is the direction of the reverse current. In terms of physics, you can say that the diffusion current will become negligible as the depletion layer voltage increases because of reverse bias. The formula for the current is on your top right. I equals Is minus Id. Remember, this formula is changed because we have reversed the direction of current. According to this formula, when Id will be negligible, the reverse current I will be equal to Is, which if you remember is independent of depletion layer voltage. It is this constancy which gives Is the name saturation current. In reality, however, reverse currents may exceed the saturation current, albeit only slightly. This reverse current increases with voltage. However, very slightly. That is why we cannot see it on the IV characteristic.